My blender stopped working. And how does it make you feel? Like, I can't make my smoothies. Interesting. Childhood trauma with food, perhaps? What? Always dig deeper, but not too deep.
All right, let's start with the basic. What exactly are probing questions? Simply put, probing questions are follow-up questions that help you dig deeper into what your customer is telling you. They're not your opening questions. They come after the customer has already shared something and you need more clarity, context, or details. Think of it this way. If regular questions are like knocking on the door, probing questions are like being invited inside to actually see what's going on. They help you move from surface level information to the real heart of the issue. Why do they matter so much? First, they prevent costly assumptions. Jumping to conclusions wastes time and can create new problems. Second, they show you care. When you ask thoughtful questions, customers feel heard, not just processed. Third, they give you the right solution, not just any solution. There's a massive difference. And fourth, they build trust. Customers respect agents who take time to understand before acting. Here's the truth. The quality of your questions determine the quality of your outcomes. Before we dive in, have you ever asked one good question that completely changed your call? Drop a comment and tell me about it. 7 powerful questions, your toolkit. Now here's where it gets powerful. I'm going to give you probing questions organized by what you're trying to accomplish. It's like a playlist. There's a song for every mood. Let's go. Number 1, questions that clarify the situation. Use these when you need to understand what's actually happening. Can you tell me a bit more about what's been happening? When did you first notice the issue? What exactly are you trying to do or achieve today? What message or result are you seeing right now? These are your foundations. They open the door for customers to share details you'd never get from closed yes or no questions. What not to do. Don't ask vague questions like, is it working now? That tells you nothing. And never jump straight into instructions before you understand the problem. Number 2, questions that confirm your understanding. These prevent miscommunication. Use them liberally. Just to make sure I understand, you're saying that, is that correct? So the issue started after, right? Have you already tried any steps to fix this? Here's a trap. Don't paraphrase incorrectly. If you say, so your internet is down, and they said, my Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, you've just proven you weren't listening. And never say got it without actually confirming. That's not real confirmation. Number 3, questions that explore context and impact. Oh, I love these ones. These help you understand urgency and emotional weight. How's this issue affected you so far? Is this something urgent or time sensitive for you? Is anyone else impacted by this problem? Has this happened before? This is where empathy meets strategy. If someone says, I've been trying to fix this for 3 weeks, don't just jump into troubleshooting. Acknowledge their frustration first. Context changes how you handle every call. Number 4, questions that gather facts and data. These get you specific information you need to solve the issue. Can you confirm so I can take a look? What's the exact time or date this occurred? Are you using right now? Did you receive an email or notification about this? But be careful. Don't overload the customer with 10 questions at once. They'll get overwhelmed. And never ask for information you already have on your screen. That screams, I'm not prepared. Number 5, questions that guide towards resolution. These help you align on the solution. Would you prefer I do X now, or would you like to try option Y first? What would be the best outcome for you today? If this happens again, what would be the most convenient way for us to help you? Never assume the customer wants a refund or replacement. Ask. And don't close the conversation without aligning on next steps. Someone will call you back. It's not a plan. I'll have a supervisor call you by 3 p.m. today is. Number 6, questions that build rapport and trust. I know this can be frustrating. How long have you been trying to get this resolved? Would it help if I explain what's going on behind the scenes? Is there anything else causing trouble that I can look into while we're here? This is how you turn transactions into relationships. But don't fake empathy with scripted phrases. Mean it. Number 7, questions that close confidently. Have I answered everything you needed today? Does the solution make sense to you? Would you like me to send a quick summary of what we did today? Never assume silence means agreement, and don't hang up after solving the first issue without confirming full satisfaction. That's how callbacks happen. Quick sidebar. Notice something missing from all these questions? The word why. Why can sound accusatory. Why did you do that? It immediately puts people on the defensive. If you absolutely need to ask why, reframe it. Just so I have the full details, can you walk me through what happened? Quick water cooler break. Did you know you can subscribe to our channel and get notified of our next training videos? Well, of course you know. Why not ask? Also, hit the like button so other students can see the video. All right, enough theory. Let's see this in action. I'm going to show you a before and after call using these question types.
I need to speak to someone about my bill. I was charged twice this month, and this is just not right.
I apologize for that. Let me process a refund for the duplicate charge right away.
Well, I also need to know,
No worries. The refund will appear in 5 to 7 business days. Anything else?
Never mind, I'll call back.
Ooh, the agent didn't clarify, didn't confirm understanding, didn't explore context, and definitely didn't close confidently. That customer's calling back. Now watch this.
I need to speak to someone about my bill. I was charged twice this month, and this is just not right.
I completely understand your frustration, and I'm absolutely going to help you sort this out. Let me pull up your account right now. Can you tell me a bit more about these charges? What amounts are you seeing?
I see one charge for $9.99 on the 5th and another one for $9.99 on the 20th.
Okay, thank you for the detail. And when did you first notice both of these charges?
Yeah, this morning when I checked my statement.
Okay, just to make sure I'm not missing anything, can you tell me what was happening around those dates? Were you making any changes to your account?
Oh, wait, I did upgrade my plan on the 5th when I reached my credit limits, and then the 20th will be my regular billing date.
So, just to confirm, you upgraded on the 5th and you were charged immediately. Then your regular monthly charge came through on the 20th. These are actually 2 separate charges, not a duplicate. Does that make sense?
Oh, yes. Yeah, that actually makes total sense now. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that's how it worked.
No need to apologize at all. Billing can be confusing. Have I fully resolved this for you? Or is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that's everything. Thank you so much.
That's the power of strategic probing questions. The agent used 5 different types in one call: clarifying, gathering facts, exploring context, confirming understanding, and closing confidently. The result? A happy customer with no unnecessary refund. All right, I know we covered a lot, so let me give you the core 5. If you remember only these 5 questions, you'll handle 90% of calls effectively. Can you walk me through what happened? When did this start? What have you already tried so far? What would be the best outcome for you? If I fully resolve this for you today, write these down, screenshot this, tattoo them, just use them. Pop quiz. A customer says, "Your service here is terrible. I've been trying to get help for days." What's the best probing question to ask first? A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comments below and tell me which question type from our toolkit it best represents. All right, customer service champions, let's bring it home. Here's what you need to remember. Probing questions guide you to the solution. There are questions for every step of the conversation, from start to finish. The core 5 questions handle 90% of situations. Master those first, then expand your toolkit. Never assume, always ask. Great questions show you care, prevent mistakes, and build trust. CSAT all the way. Remember, every question is an opportunity to connect. So get out there, use these questions on your very next call or chat, and watch what happens. I promise you, it works. Now, if you're asking yourself, will Foundever hire someone like me who loves learning? The answer is yes. Check out career opportunities and apply it now at jobs.foundever.com. Until next time, make every customer interaction count.